I left my book downstairs.
Can you get it for me?
Do you think it fits to me?
Yes. It looks nice.
Could you repeat that?
I said I love watching the movies.
What does the doctor say?
He said there is nothing to worry about.
By the way, are you free this afternoon?
I will be free after 3 o'clock.
It's so nice to see you again.
We should meet again next week.
When did you buy the car?
This April.
Do you need an operation?
I don't think that will be necessary.
How is the weather today?
It's totally sunny.
Can you give me a hand?
Of course.
When will you finish work?
I will finish around 6 p.m.
What will you wear for the party?
I will wear my blue dress.
I want a refund.
Do you have a receipt?
Wait for a moment outside the room.
When can I come in?
What do you eat?
Toast, coffee, and salad when I have time.
I'll see you at 6.
I look forward to seeing you.
The pain is getting worse.
Perhaps you should just rest.
What's your nationality?
American.
Does Anthony live here?
He doesn't live here anymore.
Glad to see you again.
I hope everything is good.
Excuse me. How can I get to the bus station?
You can take the bus and get off at the second stop.
How are you this evening?
I'm a little bit tired.
Do you know what time is it?
It's 3:30.
How do you come to know each other?
We met at our friend's birthday party.
Is that right?
Absolutely right.
I have a suggestion.
I am listening.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's not.
Enjoy the food.
Thank you for cooking so much delicious food.
Where will we eat?
We will eat at my home.
What sort of medicine do you take?
Painkiller.
You can do it, can't you?
It will be difficult, but I will try.
What kind of business are you in?
I work for a software developing company.
How many times a week do you exercise?
I exercise 4 days each week.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I have no idea.
Can you speak slowly?
I will try my best to speak slowly.
A strong wind was blowing.
Yes, it was so bad.
I slept 9 hours.
That explains why you look well rested.
Why not go out for a walk?
I'm a little sick.
What are you interested in?
I'm more interested in psychology.
See you soon.
Okay, see you.
How did your brother arrive?
He came by train.
Do you often go to a concert?
I don't go often.
Is it hard to speak English?
If you practice, English is easy.
Did you just call me?
Yes, I wanted to confirm our appointment.
How are you feeling?
I don't feel good.
How's your business?
We had a rough start, but it's doing great now.
The box is almost empty.
I will bring another one.
Will you help me with my homework?
Yes, I like science.
Why don't you come to the movies with me?
I have to do some important works.
It is very cold today, isn't it?
Yes. It is very cold.
Do you smoke?
No, smoking is a bad habit.
What a beautiful flower.
Pink is my favorite color.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the roast chicken.
What do you do in your spare time?
I like to listening to pop music.
We'll be on time, won't we?
I hope so.
The show was absolutely wonderful.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Are you going to be late today?
No, I'll be home at the usual time.
It's really disappointing.
What happened?
I am responsible for this.
Don't blame yourself.
Would you like something to drink?
Coffee, please.
The lecture took 3 hours of my time.
It was so boring.
I'm running a fever.
Yes, you feel hot.
Do you have a good relationship with Mike?
Yes. He is one of my best friends.
How much is it total?
Your total is $250.
What are you worried about?
I have a speech to give this afternoon.
I am hoping to visit Grandpa.
The sooner, the better.
This house has 2 bedrooms.
My house has only 1 bedroom.
I don't have any change.
Just keep the change.
I wondered if you could buy me some pencils.
Sure.
Are you coming with me?
I'll catch up.
It has a good taste.
Do you really think so?
She made her own dress.
Very nice.
Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, but we only accept cash.
How much is the rent for a month?
$500.
I'd like to have a coffee.
Would like sugar in your coffee?
I'd like to see your sister.
She lives in Boston now.
I lost my wallet.
Where did you lose it?
How does it taste?
It tastes great.
Thank you for today.
You are welcome. Come again.
What a lovely weather.
It's a perfect day for a picnic.
Can you please get me this shirt in a smaller size?
Please wait a moment.
I have many friends in foreign countries.
Do you visit them often?
What did the doctor say?
The doctor said it would be good to take some medicines.
Is it still raining?
No, but we should still take an umbrella.
What time do you leave tomorrow?
We must be on the road by 8 o'clock.
I'd like to send this package to Japan.
It costs $75 to send that package.
Nice talk with you.
You too. We should do this more often.
You should follow your doctor's advice.
My doctor is always right.
How are things going with twins?
So far, so good.
How do you like the food?
It tastes fantastic.
I am going to buy a new car.
What color do you want?
I'm afraid it will rain.
Don't forget your umbrella.
It's your turn.
I'm not ready yet.
I don't like this jacket.
Maybe try a sweater instead.
I can't lift my right arm.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Just a moment, please.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a sandwich.
Do you like your boss?
She is very generous and understanding.